I'm Dylan. Today we will talk about our art show at Maury High School. Commodore News is on. Welcome to Commodore News for Thursday, May 11th. Baseball won against Norview 3-0, while the boys' soccer team won against Salem, as well as the girls, who won with a 5-0 victory. The girls lacrosse team are in the playoffs, so let's keep it up and root for them. The boys and girls tennis teams played Indian River High and won 9-0. Now here's Manene Vigoy in the control room with details about today's upcoming events.
Thanks, Dylan. Today, no Commodore teams will be in action, but on Friday, the softball team takes on Green Run here at Maury. Game time is 4 o'clock p.m. The baseball team plays at Maury High School. The match starts at 4 o'clock p.m. Both soccer teams will be playing away against Green Run High. Boys play at 7 o'clock. Girls play at 5:15. The boys' track will be playing against Grassfield on Saturday at 6 a.m. Back to you, Dylan.
Thanks, Manene. Can you draw? Well, Maury can. Let's take a look at the Student Art Show.
Welcome to the 2017 Maury Student Art Show. Every year, around early April, each student taking an art class will showcase some of their work in the show. There are 10 categories, including Best in Show, Crafts, Drawing, Painting, Sculpture, Photography, Mixed Media, Ceramics, Printmaking, and Metals. The student body and visitors can see and vote on their favorite art. Let's take a look at the winner of the Drawing category, Sierra Brown, on what she submitted for the art show.
And I did this skeleton in gel paint. And I used charcoal. I used black charcoal and white charcoal. And we used a skeleton model in class that was sitting on a chair. We posed it, and then we decided to pick which section of it we wanted to draw. And I don't know, I really like this one just because I like human anatomy and stuff. And so doing this like helped me learn a little more about like how things like sit and like where the bones are. That way I can like draw people better. And it took a while, but I like how it turned out in the end. And this is actually Miss Farnham in the same pose as the skeleton was, and we drew her pretty much where we drew the skeleton also. That way we have like the structure and then the final form type thing. And I used the same thing, black charcoal and white charcoal.
This year, Miss Lassiter's students made a lot of beautiful ceramic pieces as well as crafts. Let's take a look at one of her students, Jamie Dugan, about her colored roses.
Okay, well they are made with like the paper mache stuff, and you use the pulp, you blend it in the blender, and depending on how much tissue paper and what kinds of colors you put in them, you get all these beautiful colors. So here I went with more traditional. I used more warm colors for this one and more cooler colors for this. Basic, simple, yet I was able to emphasize the actual designs of it, that I was able to put the actual wet paper and have it mold onto a template.
The Maury Art Show also expands beyond the school by including artwork from our sister city in Japan. Here are the winners of the 2017 Maury Student Art Show. Win or not, everyone loves time off from class to visit the art show.
Here's what's happening at MHS. That's a wrap for this broadcast of Commodore News. I'm Dylan Lim. Have a great day.